Fine. So here two problems are written. As I said, I will explain you now about the combination of problem. Now, if you observe these two problems, what is the difference between these two problems? Yes, very good. Here there is a bracket, but here there is no bracket. Here plus and minus symbol and minus and plus symbol. That is okay. But bracket is a difference. Bracket is here, but it's not here. So what are the steps I told here to follow? Do you remember? Can you tell me now? Yes, very good. If there is a bracket, you have to solve the bracket first. What I said? If there is a bracket, now here is a bracket, you have to solve the bracket first. Okay? If no, you have to start from the left side, means from the beginning. Am I clear? Now here there is no bracket in the second problem, so you have to solve the first two numbers. If there is a bracket, wherever the bracket, that you have to solve. If bracket is here, you have to solve this. If bracket is here, you have to solve this. Okay? Now I'll show you how to solve this first one. So there is a bracket, and as I said, bracket one you have to solve. And the answer is third number. So what is there in the bracket? 3679 minus 1350. So if you subtract it, because it's a minus. 9 minus 0 is 9, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3 and 2. Good that there is no borrowing. If no, you have to borrow. Now this is the answer. This answer and the third number, this you have completed. Now just put a line here so that you understand that you have completed. This answer and the third number. What is this answer right now? 2329. What is the symbol? Plus. So plus 4291. 9 plus 1 10. 2 plus 1 3. 9 plus 1 10 and 12. And this is 6 and 6. Got it? This is the given number plus this answer. This answer is 2329 that we have added. So this is how you can solve when there is a bracket. So let me tell you again, if there is a bracket, solve the bracket first with wherever it is. Whatever symbol inside, use that symbol and solve it. Solve that and answer and the remaining number using the other symbol. Okay? And how to solve this then? When there is no bracket, you have to start with the left side. That is from the first two number. First two number, what is the symbol? Minus. 5000 minus 3000. Minus means subtraction, no? That is 2000. Now this answer, this arrow marker is not necessary. Here we got one answer. That answer, what is the symbol? Plus 1894. 4, 9, 8 and 3. 3894. So is that clear? Okay. You have to practice more and more problems of this way. You can use a textbook also for the extra problem. So here I think wherever you have left one main, when I had told that it is for revision, those are problems you can use now for revision. Next story problem, addition and subtraction together. Together in the sense mixed problem. It is same. You have to identify and you have to do it. Okay. After that, yes, addition and subtraction together it will be there. In the same problem, there will be addition and subtraction. Now, for example, Rohan had 8,294 rupees. His mother gave him 2,495 rupees. Okay? Rohan had, this is the amount. Amount Rohan had is this, and his mother gave. And he spent rupees 4,000. He spent rupees 4,000 for some things. So what is the amount left with him? So what to do? First, how much Rohan had, you have to find out. How? By adding these two. His amount and his mother gave, that you have to add. You will get total amount. So that is addition. From total, what is spent? 4,000. That you have to subtract. Is that clear? Okay. Now, like for example, The population of a city is 14,28,978. That is total population. There are 7,05,033 men and 7,09,945 women. So remaining are children. How many children are there in the city? First, men and women you have to add. You will get total number there. From total population you have to minus or you have to subtract the men and women number. Okay, so you will get the children number. And next you have here this box. So information will be given and you will be asked to solve the things. Very important. Like here it's given about the number of trees like mangoes, coconuts and apples and all. So there question will be given how many mangoes and apples trees together. Addition. How many more apple trees than mango? Or how many less is subtraction. Okay. So that's it about this chapter, subtraction chapter. So we have learned the terms of subtraction, we have revised the terms of subtraction, properties, subtraction with and without regrouping, subtraction with the numbers, those are ending with 0, word problems and combination of problems, and then about the word combination of word problems. So that's it about this chapter, and next we are going to revise about the multiplication. Okay. So when this comes multiplication, the first thing is tables. So in multiplication first you had learnt about Cayley's table, right? So from 11 to 20, and I had told you also to prepare one Cayley's table in the classwork or A4 size paper. Yes. So hope you have done that. And next, finding the missing factor. So it is like 28 is equal to 7 into dash. So this is the product or answer. 7 dash is 28. 7 fours are. So that is how you can write the missing factor. Now 4,200 is equal to 42 into dash. Into what? There are 2 zeros. No? So here also 2 zeros. That is 100. If there are 3 zeros, it's 1000. I think previous class I told you about that while solving the practice test. So that is the missing factor. And then directly multiplication problem, and next you have about word problem. That's it. So let us see how to do the multiplication problem. First, multiply by a 2-digit number. Okay. First your work, write down 324 into 24. So what are the steps, children? First, this is the multiplicand, multiplier and product. So for multiplier you have to see, from 24 you have to take 4 table numbers. Forget about 2, later this. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry over. In 16, 6 you will write here and 1 carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 3s are, now 9 there is no carry over. 4 3s are 12. So first step is done. Partial product it is. Okay. Now when you use the second number here, now this number is in tens place, no? So here also you have to start from tens place. So you have to put 1 plus or 0. You have to use this table now. 2 4s are, now don't do it 2 2s are. First from 1's place only. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. No carry over. This carry over is of previous number. 2 3s are 6. Over no. Now this you have to add. Plus symbol already have written. 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry over here. While doing addition, carry over you write here only. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4. 7, and this is 7. So this is the answer. So what is important is to put plus or 0 here. Don't start from here. If you write 8 here, though your tables everything is correct, your answer will be wrong. Because when you write 8 here, you will do 6 plus 8 is 14. So everything will be wrong. So that you have to remember. In case if it is a 3-digit number, in next step plus and plus. 2 plus will come, you will start from 100's place. That I'll explain in the next part of the video.